So friends, welcome to the series of Chancer.com. अगला जो topic है, there is a team of this project. You can see that 3 of the team main members are listed over here. So first person is Adam Kelby. He's the CEO of this project, and you can see the LinkedIn profile on here. Second person is the head of the product, which is Paul Kelby, and the third is Yuri Soida. He's the lead developer of this project, and तीनों का LinkedIn profile यहाँ पे available है. You can check out the entire profile as well. And जो main characters है, which are CEO, head of the product, and lead developer. So these 3 persons are involved in this project, and these are the core team members to develop this blockchain project. So first is Adam Kelby. He's the CEO of Chancer. You can see they have 8279 followers on this profile, and they have 500 plus connections. Second is Paul Kelby. उनके पास है 18.9 thousand followers on their LinkedIn profile. And the third is Yuri, and he has 500 plus connection on their profile as well. He's from Japan, and you can check out the entire LinkedIn profile as well. So तीनों का profile available है. You can check out in detail, and this is available on the main homepage. जैसे आप यहाँ पे click करेंगे, then you can read out about the introduction part of this person as well. Also, you can check out the LinkedIn profile by clicking on this hyperlink as well. So तीनों का information available है, and this is available on the main homepage, and you can see I will provide the link in the description box. You can check it out by yourself and do your own research before investing into this project.